confused by the market noise, wondering what's real, what's noise, and how it all impacts your investments? Looking for a simple, actionable way to stay calm and confident even during rough times? Then you are in the right place. Our financial expert, Mr. Ramalingam, will guide us through. Mr. Ramalingam, the screen is yours.
One side, markets are volatile. Between 2020 to 2024 September, market was predominantly going up. It was less volatile. Between 2024 September to till date, market has gone through a lot of roller coaster ride. It was huge ups and downs in the market. Then trade war, Trump, tariff pause, tariff reversal, all those things create a lot of jittery to the market. Then Indo-Pakistan tension definitely highly uncertain how it is going to evolve and how it is going to impact economy. We have to wait and see. Gold rates have gone up in the last 1 year significantly. Some of my clients say real estate seems to be a hot market nowadays, and also is falling. Small caps are overvalued. So all these things are creating huge news, huge headlines, but what it really means. Even whatever you have given us an answer, all are fact. There's no doubt about that. Market is volatile, yes. Trade war is happening, yes. Indo-Pakistan, all are fact. Gold has given, yes. But all these facts are actually creating an emotional trigger. It is triggering our emotions. Are we able to clearly decide anything? Can we come to a logical conclusion based on this fact? Market is volatile. So do we have to invest in equity or do we have to avoid equity? Small cap is falling. So do I have to invest more in small cap because it's falling, or already overvalued, so I have to reduce my exposure? I have to come out of small cap? Not clear. Noise is something which creates unnecessary sound, which is not helping you to take any decision. So how do we avoid noise and focus on market voice? Market noise is something sound. Market voice is something very profound. Market noise generally gets created at the surface level, but market voice is from much deeper, in-depth principles of timeless investment wisdom. Based on that, market is created. Focusing on market, we have to focus on market voice. Otherwise, we'll be always under trouble. Market noise most of the times will confuse us. Fine, we are able to understand we are in trouble because of market noise. We have to focus on market voice.
Thank you for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. Also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. Link to the webinar is given in the description below, and the webinar is absolutely free. So if you like this video, hit like, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.